Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best method to reduce Bitcoin fees on Cash App. Alright, so the best method to reduce Bitcoin fees on Cash App is to be deliberate about timing and transaction size. Fees can vary based on network congestion and transaction speed, so avoid making frequent small trades that compound cost. Instead, consolidate purchases or sales into fewer well-planned transactions. Review the fee breakdown shown before confirmation and adjust the transaction amounts if necessary. When selling Bitcoin, you want to choose slower transfer options if available, as they typically cost much less. Avoid panic trading during high volatility periods, since fees tend to rise when demand spikes. Managing frequency, size, and timing helps to keep Bitcoin costs lower while maintaining control over your investment. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.